Well, ultimately, this is what air traffic controllers are doing every day. We are trying to bring resilience in the system. We are trying to anticipate and to be able to rebound and to mitigate the risks. This is, on a daily basis, what an air traffic controller is doing. Now, if we go from a sector perspective, from just purely controlling traffic into looking at a broader view, and this is the responsibility of then the association, it is obvious that we want to be involved into bringing ideas how to stabilize the system, how to bring more resilience in the system, because it is also the interest of the air traffic controllers to see that the system they evolve in is actually able to cope with changes and to mitigate risks. So therefore, we are bringing our ideas and our supports into these developments in order to really try to improve the whole overall system to bring benefits to all. It's not only the air traffic controllers. Every piece of the puzzle, every piece of the mosaic is very important so that we have a clearer, safer picture and also more efficient picture at the end. This serves the air traffic controller community as well. I won't say the air traffic controller, even though I might think about it, but it is a collaborative decision-making process. We have expertise and we have add-on expertise of what is happening when a regulation is taken, what are the consequences. For a lot of us, we are for more than 30 years in aviation and in the ATM world or ATC world more specifically. So we need to be involved into the drafting of these new regulation. I like to say we are ready to support CES 3 because the CES 2 Plus for us is not fit for purpose. It does not take into consideration the COVID crisis for sure, nor the Ukrainian war that we are suffering all at the moment. And again, our experience as federation, as professional and technical body, should bring shape a system that will introduce or add on our ideas, but also our resilience into what we would like to shape for the future and should be translated into a regulation. So all bodies, all partners involved into delivering the safety, the continuity and the stability and the efficiency of the system should be involved. And of course, this is why at the EU level, there are certain the consultation bodies who would like to see that in this consultation, the ones who are shouting the loudest, namely the airline, would actually maybe be listened a little bit less than at the moment compared to the ones who are responsible to develop and to build a robust critical infrastructure, a level playing field for the airline to do their business, but we are responsible for a critical infrastructure. So we are not thinking 6 months, we are thinking 5, 10, 15, 20 years. And that's why we need to be involved in this.